So after looking at the lake, I have climbed up. So now it's around like 620 meters or something. So we are in this another beautiful scene. So this is in the town of Svolvær. So what I'm gonna do now is I think we have a few more meters, so I'm just gonna like walk to the top. Don't worry, I still have my hiking stick with me, so which is sort of like strength. Comparing from the last route, this route is a bit easy because it's because of the rain or because of a lot of people have climbed here. Okay, it was smooth. Okay, so now we can see the town of Svolvær. There are around 4,000 to 6,000 people living in this town. Actually, the view is very good. Let's try to go to the another path. Not sure where it leads us, but yeah, this is good. Okay, so we are at the top. The goal has been achieved. There are some sheep. Where is it? I hope this is enough. I still have like one more place to climb, which is like other side, so I'm gonna continue.